How you doing, man? Good trip so far? Here today, talking about, okay. If you want to learn how to get luxury quality windows for half the price, then this is the video for you. My name is Geno J, and I go by the Construction King. And behind me is our new construction home that we have framed up. And I have my friend here from China. He actually came all the way from China. He's right here in the United States. I've been ordering from China for the last several years. And in this video, we're going to talk about ordering your windows from China, which I'm getting on this property, doors, cabinets, flooring, and everything else that you can think about. A lot of times people think about China and they think about low quality, but I can tell you that is not the case. In China, it's just like everywhere else. You can get good quality, you can get medium quality, or you can get poor quality. We're getting luxury quality items from China. And again, hit that like button below and follow the channel, because we're going to give you all the details that you need to order from China. And I'm also going to reveal who you need to order from so that you're getting good pricing, good quality, and good customer service. So let's get into it. So when it comes to ordering windows and doors, what I like to do, and you can tell me what most of your clients do, I like to, of course, get my windows and doors ordered prior to breaking ground. That way we give some lead time, because right now with your production, it's 5 to 6 weeks.
Yeah, 5 to 6 weeks.
Okay. And then after production, how long does it take to normally get to the US?
So once the production complete, you're gonna need like another 6 weeks from China to the job site.
Okay.
So this is the average time. For some consideration, you have some delay on the seaport, some delay on the vessel. So probably I'm gonna suggest leave another 1 week for extra, just in case. So think about like 7 plus 5 to 6, so like 12 months. The total, 12 weeks, total 3 months.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the idea of the lead time.
Okay. And that would be on windows and doors.
And
then cabinets as well.
Yeah, and staircase as well. So
okay. And staircase.
To all kinds of products.
Okay. Awesome. Awesome.
Hey guys, I'm gonna give you guys the top 5 pro things when you're ordering windows and doors from China. And tip number 1 is you wanna get everything in writing. You wanna know the glass type, the aluminum type, the color code, the thickness, and the hardware and brand that they will be using. You don't want them to give you just normal specifications that they wanna give you. You wanna make sure that all the details are there based on what you're ordering. Pro tip number 2, you want to ask for quality of proof. You want to make sure that you ask for photos and videos. You want to make sure that the quality of the windows meets standard certifications such as ICO and CE. Pro tip number 3, you want to make sure that you have a third-party inspection before you make your final payment to make sure what you ordered is actually good quality. Pro tip number 4, you want to make sure that you have protection during your items being shipped. You want to make sure that they are secured, that they are in wooden crates, that they are wrapped perfectly so your stuff arrives here safe and sound. And pro tip number 5, you want to use safe payment terms. You want to start out with 30% down, 70% before the final payment is due, and you want to make sure that it's already met inspection. And then you also want to make sure that you send the funds to a verified bank account for the factory that these windows and doors are coming from.
So a lot of people that's watching this video are probably going to want to order cabinets and windows. What's one of the most important things when you're ordering windows from China that you see people make mistakes on?
Windows and doors?
Yes.
Okay.
What's the big mistake people make mistakes on?
The biggest mistake for windows and doors, I also like the rough opening. Because windows and doors is quite standard, products. It's all about like dimension. So the only issue is like they mixed up like product size and the rough opening. So when we do a windows, for example, like 3 feet by 6 feet, this is the dimension of the product itself. So make sure you leave like a ½ inch bigger for rough opening, so you can fit in the windows and doors.
Yeah. So
what we do is like we send you a schedule of the windows and doors and indicate the rough opening we need. So make sure you pass to the framer. We are all at the same page to make sure they gave us the right opening. Then we are all good.
Yep. I think that's a very pro tip. So when you're looking at your plans, it's going to tell you the window size and it's going to have the rough opening size. Just talk to your framer and your framer can just leave the rough open and a 1/2 inch bigger and a 1/2 inch wider, because it's a lot easier to close in the window than have it too small to have to open it up. So that's a pro tip when it comes to windows and doors.
So this space that I'm standing in is actually going to be our sit-in, eat-in kitchen area. So as you can see, the space is really dope. We have these super tall windows, which is actually going to give you the view to the pool and the outside area. And right here, we're thinking about doing an L-shaped bench with like a really cool table and a dope chandelier to really elevate this space.
So right now, they're actually here doing all the measurements. My wife is going over a lot of our design ideas because we're super intentional on making this a turnkey project. I'm telling you, from the windows to the doors to the flooring to the cabinets, we're trying to get everything we can from China. Out here, we're thinking about doing, you know, some curtains or like a mosquito screen or something that comes down. We're gonna do that up top and down below. So anything that I could think of, we're taking all of our measurements now because we don't know what we're gonna see when we visit China in a few days, going to this Canton Fair. Over there, we're definitely going to view some factories. We're going to get into the material because we're going to be sourcing and shopping for the best vendors and the best material. At the end of this video, I'm going to drop a special link. So y'all make sure y'all watch this entire video. And that video is going to be to our free ebook. That ebook is going to break down in detail the exact process I'm ordering from China. A lot of the things that we didn't cover in this video, it's going to have everything in that video. So make sure you stay to the end to claim your free copy. And we're going to give you all the tools you need to order from China and who you should be ordering from. Because when you're thinking about windows, you got to think about what ratings do you need in your state? What are going to be the codes to your state? So what I do, I would look at Pella Windows or Anderson Window, and I would look at the windows I'm thinking about ordering from them. And they would tell you all the specs. I would provide those same specs to the Chinese company to make sure they can match those specs. You can also go search and see if they have any certifications, and then also ask them if they have any certifications. That way you know that they're certified, because they send inspectors out there to make sure that they're certified, their windows are actually certified or pass those actual testing. So each company you order from, if they tell you they have certifications and they tell you that their factory has been tested for some national or certain ratings, then that's what you want to do. And with me going to the International Builder Show in Vegas the last several years, and me meeting these guys in China, I know what some of these American company windows look like. And I've ordered windows from China in the past. And I can tell you the windows that I've ordered in the past have been superior in terms of quality. They got more styles. They're more modern. So we're thinking about quality. Just because it's cheaper, that don't mean that it's cheaper quality. So we're not only trying to save money, we're also trying to get the best possible quality. Because if we can get better quality products, then we can put more stuff in our homes. And that just gives our houses more value. So make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned, because the next video is going to be our trip to China. And then we're going to be touring factories. We're going to the Canton Fair, and we're going to be talking about and sharing everything that we learned over the last several years and all the new stuff that we've learned from actually going to China. Geno J, the Construction King, and I'm going to see y'all on the next video.